Come with us as we eat around the new Bib Gourmand locations in the Michelin Guide Kuala Lumpur and Penang 2024. We're starting off at Malaysia's bustling capital city of Kuala Lumpur. Here are three of them. Jalan IO clay pot chicken rice, which has been around for over 30 years. Each bowl of clay pot chicken rice is cooked to order over charcoal. And don't forget the best part, which is the crispy rice crust that's formed at the bottom. Add salted fish for extra oomph. Next is Hara Cuisine, an institution that's been dishing out Hakka food for over 2 decades. With a range of tasty offerings at bargain prices, expect this place to be always busy. Brought to you by Tandur, a North Indian restaurant that has been around since 1990. Offers a hearty range of fine Indian cuisine. Try the butter chicken masala, palak paneer, and the naan bread. And don't forget to leave room for dessert. Now, let's head over to Penang, Malaysia's food capital where cuisines from different cultures converge. Craving something sweet? We're checking out BM Cafe Pancake. Since 1962, this humble cart has been serving only one dish, apam balik, or char-grilled pancake, with a filling made of sugar and peanuts. Made on the spot and served piping hot, it's crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Next is Aboy Quo Tongue, a friendly, family-run shop that specializes in kuey teow noodle soup. The broth is made from a mix of chicken and pork bones, while the springy tendon balls have a spicy and zingy ginger flavor. Gilead, whose signature dish is green tom yum noodle soup, which is made with green chilies, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and fresh lime. This hits the spot with the right balance of sour and spicy, and the fried fish topping has a crispy outer layer and a succulent center. Have you tried any of these places? Let us know in the comments section below.